Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over how you can create a TikTok shop. It's very simple to do. So the way to go to get a TikTok shop is go to seller.tiktok.com. The way I found this was I just searched TikTok shop seller account. So you go to TikTok shop seller account, takes you to seller.tiktok.com. And then it asks you, are you a North American seller, Asian seller, or a European seller? I'm in the United States, so I'm gonna click on USA. And then, of course, it asks you for your email and everything, but let's hit sign up now. And now we can go ahead and sign up. So I'm gonna enter my email, and this will be blurred out. It's gonna ask you to do some verification puzzles. All right, now it's asking me for a code, so I'm gonna go grab that. Now I have to select a password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so simple enough. So now you can choose to either sign up as an individual, sole proprietorship, or a corporation, or a partnership. Each one of those have a different requirement. ID verification, legal name, passport or driver's license, residential address, and then the tax ID or your SSN. These are very standard requirements. In a sole proprietorship, you'd also need an EIN for the business, but I'm going to continue as a sole proprietorship and I'm going to hit next. This is the name of my company. I filled in the EIN, and then it asks you the registered business address. So as a sole proprietorship, it would just be my home. Next, it asks for the legal name, the date of birth information. Just going to go ahead and fill that out, and then we're going to fill out the address again. And if you filled it in, it should autofill. Alright, and then it asks for the last 4 digits of your social, and we're going to go ahead and do that. Next, it asks for the shop name. So we could just make up a shop name. And then it asks for your phone number, the primary category. You can go ahead and fill that out, and you should receive a text. Alright, so once the number is verified, you can go ahead and click on submit. And it'll just show you a whole list of things that you submitted, but you can just go ahead and click on submit. And then they will be reviewing your documents, which can take up to 24 to 48 hours, but we'll go ahead and add tax information. So in this case, there'll be an individual or a sole proprietorship. And then you just have to enter your SSN or ITIN in here, and then your tax form will be complete. It may take a few days, but after your shop is approved, it will look something like this, and you'll get a notification that says, congrats, your shop has been approved. That is how it's done. It really doesn't take long at all. It takes like 5 minutes as long as you have all of your documents set. And then the next videos will go over how you can install Foxlister and upload products to your store in a very fast manner. Thank you so much. If you haven't tried Foxlister yet, please go ahead and do so. We have a completely free plan. The link is in the description, and we'll see you guys on the other end. Thank you.